Pollution is the forerunner of perdition. Visual pollution is more poisonous than any other pollution because it kills the soul. We won't have the society if we destroy the environment. Environmental pollution is an incurable disease. It can only be prevented. Water and air, the two essential fluids on which all life depends, have become global garbage can. Stopping pollution is the best solution. The nation that destroys its soils destroys itself. The earth does not belong to us, we belong to earth. Environment is no one's property to destroy, it's everyone's responsibility to protect. The major problems in the world are the result of the differences between how nature works and the way people think. Pollution should never be the price of prosperity. The issue of pollution has become a blasting fuse for social instability. The greatest threat to our planet is the belief that someone else will save it. Environmental pollution is the blight on people's quality of life and the trouble that weighs on their hearts. The important thing to understand is that the case for pollution control is not based on some kind of aesthetic distaste for industrial society.